Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate a deactivated Facebook page. If you have previously deactivated your Facebook page and want to reactivate it, just follow the simple steps. First things first is to log in onto the account that has access onto that Facebook page. So as you can see, I'm currently in already onto my own Facebook page. So to go ahead and reactivate that, you should be able to find that option onto your pages. To find pages, just scroll here onto the left side of your profile or timeline, then click on See More. Scroll until you find in the option to click on Pages. So you'll get redirected onto all of your pages that you manage in here, and here onto the right side, there should be an option for you to see all the deactivated and deleted pages. So there is an activate button in here. So to activate these pages to make them visible again to the public and everyone who helps manage them. So deactivated pages are the pages that is not visible to anyone. So the public cannot see it, including people who like or follow it. So people who help manage a deactivated page, including those with full control, also cannot see it. So for them to be able to have this visible again, just simply click on activate to simply reactivate a deleted Facebook page. So as you can see, there should be a notification that this is reactivated, and you'll get redirected back again onto your page once that one is reactivated. And that is how easy to reactivate a deleted Facebook page. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.